Are you listening to me?
Hello, wake up.
Are you paying attention?
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Please just let
It's
me finish
just so
speaking
difficult
before
you
you
can
jump
jump
in.
in.
Are you paying
Wake up,
attention?
please just let me finish
so
speaking
difficult
before
for
you
you to
jump in.
Have you ever heard this being said to you, or said this to someone else? If you have, then you know how easy it is to let your mind wander when someone is speaking, and how frustrating it is when the person you're speaking with is not listening to you. We face so many listening situations every day. In many of the situations, you don't listen completely. Sometimes you may not respond at all. Let's see what happens in your brain in various listening situations. There are situations when you can hear sounds, but they make no sense, like hearing people speak in a foreign language. Or situations where you can hear and understand, but you choose not to because your mind is somewhere else. This happens to us a lot. Sometimes you understand clearly at that moment, but you can't remember a few minutes later because you weren't paying attention. And of course, there are situations where no listening is taking place because both people want to talk and nobody wants to listen. This usually ends up in an argument. The best kind of listening is active listening. This is when you hear, understand, respond, and remember what is being said. This makes the speaker feel heard, understood, cared for, and respected. So how do you actively listen? You can listen actively by following the RESPECT, respect approach. R is for remove distractions. Take out the earphones. Turn down the TV volume. Put away the document you are reading so you can focus completely on what is being said. E is for eye contact. Look at the speaker so he or she knows you are focusing on what he or she is saying. S is for show you are listening through your body language, not just your words. A nod, a smile, an appropriate gesture shows the speaker you are listening. P is for pay attention and focus. Think about what the speaker is saying, rather than showing attentiveness but thinking of something else. E is for empathize. Feel the emotions behind the words and understand them. C is for clarify doubts. It's okay to ask questions so that you confirm your understanding. T is for talk when it's your turn. Wait for the speaker to finish speaking before you respond. Let's see how this was done at a travel agency recently.
Welcome to Fast Travels. How may I help you?
Hello. I had booked a tour to Austria on 5th June. I want to change the date. Is that possible?
Certainly. Let me check. You mentioned Austria on 5th June, right? When do you want to travel?
Sometime around 20th June. I have a meeting on 18th June that I can't miss. But the 5th June tour only gets me back on the 20th.
Sorry, I'm afraid all our tours are booked until 15th July.
I was really looking forward to this trip. I've been planning this for ages.
I do have another option for you. Can I arrange an early ticket so you can attend the meeting? I can't provide you a refund for the days you miss, but you will be able to enjoy the trip.
Oh, that sounds great. Thanks so much. What did Rita do? She removed distractions by turning the computer away. She made eye contact. She showed she was listening by nodding and smiling. She paid attention by remembering the key points. She confirmed her understanding by repeating the key actions needed. She responded appropriately by making the changes in the booking and giving the customer a fresh ticket. Following these steps will help you listen actively and respond effectively in all situations. Happy listening!